Today is December 9th, 2011, and Rhea is getting belly time. Belly time! What do you think? You just started belly time. You gotta lift your head. Lift your head off of the mat. Yes, good job. Try again. Try again, Rhea. You can do it. Let me go around to the other side. There we go. Oh, did you see that? Look at her. There's the baby. Yes. Today she's 5 weeks old. You're 5 weeks old. Yes. Push up. Push up. You can do it. Or you'll just fall asleep. That's okay too. But then we'll have to turn you on your belly. Just that's society. Unless she's kicking. Kicking. Oh, he's kicking. Kick, 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 kick. Can you do it? Can you push? Push up. Push up. No pushing up. What do you think about? How does that mat taste? Does that mat taste good? Nice and clean. Yeah, what is this? What is this? Start crying. Are you going to start crying? Can you go back going? Don't start crying. That's my... Mom, where am I? What am I doing? If only I could kick my way. Kick my way out of this. Oh, I went out. Where am I? Okay, say goodbye, Rhea. Bye.